The WhatsApp Business API resolves previous blocking issues, ensuring uninterrupted communication. Users no longer experience blocks, making it reliable for business interactions. One interface integrates seamlessly with WhatsApp Business API to enhance customer interactions and streamline messaging solutions for your business needs. 2. Dashboard. The WhatsApp Business API dashboard provides essential business tools, balance tracking, quality rating insights, training calls, referral bonuses, and over 20 other features. Efficiently manage communication and analytics, ensuring streamlined operations and customer engagement. 3. Live Chat. WhatsApp Business API enables real-time customer support through live chat, fostering direct communication for businesses and their clients seamlessly. 4. History. WhatsApp Business API's history feature displays old messages and chat lists, aiding businesses in managing interactions efficiently and maintaining continuity in customer conversations. 5. Contact. A contact option allows users to connect with a person or organization through various channels like email, phone, or messaging platforms, enabling communication for inquiries, support, or collaboration purposes. 6. Broadcast camping. Ensure all camping participants receive broadcast messages with camping details. Record sent messages and times for verification. Notify if any messages were not sent. Maintain clear communication records. Seven. Facebook ads. Control Facebook Meta ads by this API. 8. Flows. WhatsApp Business API facilitates seamless customer communication for businesses. The flow typically involves businesses setting up their account, integrating the API with their systems, receiving and responding to customer messages programmatically, and utilizing features like automated replies and message templates to enhance efficiency and customer service. 9. WhatsApp Pay option. WhatsApp Business API offers pay via WhatsApp, enabling businesses to accept payments directly within chats. It supports secure transactions and provides a streamlined payment experience for customers globally. Manage option. To apply WhatsApp blue tick, enable read receipts. Craft templates for efficient messaging. Explore 20+ features like voice messages, status updates, and encryption for versatile communication and privacy enhancement. Integrate dialog flow for natural conversations, WhatsApp link generator for shareable links, and Razorpay for seamless payments. Enhance CRM with easy insights, Lead Squared, WebEngage, CleverTap, MoneGage, Kylus, Cranberry, and Warehouse. Boost sales with Shopify, WooCommerce, OpenCard, and Pabbly's extensive app integrations via Integrately. Ecom Plus. Enhance your Shopify store with our app icon. Enjoy live chat support, boost cart recovery, and access 30+ features effortlessly. Connect with customers and elevate your e-commerce experience today. Thank you for watching this video. Purchase now today this API. This cost $9,999 Rs. Order now today.